Just click and install that. Right. Meanwhile, how many of you have installed it? Others who have installed it? Anyone? Litumi, have you installed?
Yeah, installed.
Chanaki, you have installed. Okay, it will not take much time, Putri. To install it, it will be a quick process. Just click on the install and agree. No thanks. Oh, sorry. It's asking to install iTop VPN. No need to agree. So sometimes it's installing some additional software next. So sometimes because of these free versions, it's trying to install some additional software. That's why you have to read that. So I even didn't read that. So then it will install some other additional software. It's unknown. Yes.
Sir, does this software slow down your computer?
No. So you can uninstall this. After getting your work done, you can uninstall. I just want to check.
So just a second, can you tell me the way of searching it, the name?
Which one? Name what?
I mean the name we have to search.
Driver Booster, ne? It's Driver Booster, I guess. Yes, Driver Booster version 9. You can directly search like that. Driver Booster version 9.
Sir, when you update, it will take our data.
Yes, it will take your data, but you have to check whether which kind of updates it's suggesting. Okay, let me show this. Okay, since finish. He also no thanks. Okay, scan now. Now it's scanning for driver issues in your computer. So let's see what are the issues. According to the issues only, you have to decide whether to install or not. Okay, scan and see. When it scan, it will suggest you these are the issues. Drivers means, so we learn about drivers. Drivers means, drivers is like so similar to car and the driver. In order to drive the car, you need a driver. Similar to that, every hardware, each and every hardware need a driver software. Some drivers are provided by the manufacturers. So it is already there. But some drivers you have to externally install. Actually, both drivers together help this hardware to coordinate. Okay, see here. So here you can see 16 outdated drivers. Out of that, the critical thing is this. So let me highlight. So what do you think? Which is critical out of this?
Display.
Yes, display. Cancel it. Yeah, cancel. Out of this, you can see this is critical, the display. So very important one. You should not miss that. Here you have, actually this is a free version now. So since this is a free version, you have only few chances. Free version will give like maybe 4 or 5 drive updates only. But here you have 16 outdated. No need to install all these things. First of all, please untick all. Untick outdated. Okay, now you can tick this one is needed. Display adapters, you need it. Network adapters, you need it. And this go down, what else? Let's see. Others also you need it. අනිත් ඒවත් ඕන. හැබැයි මම මේ වෙලාවේ හැටියට අඩුම වශයෙන් වැඩිම වශයෙන් ඕන ඒවා ටික තමයි දාගන්නේ. USBs, of course you need portable. Maybe you are connecting your mobile Galaxy M2 or J2. For that, sometimes the drivers are needed. If you want, you can install that as well. Okay, then you can update. Then it will take some data, but not much. It will take some data. Okay. Continue update. Okay. 1 or 2 drivers you can install. Here only 91 MB. So that you can do, but don't go for all driver updates, right? Okay, Senuka, let me, if you have doubts, you can share. So since she is updating, anyone having doubts can share. If you have no doubt, it's okay. Litumi, any doubts? Senuka? Senuka?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? No. Okay, critical drivers, you have to pay the attention, right? The Hamsa?
No doubt, sir.
Critical drivers, you have to pay the attention. So other drivers, you don't want to think much, but all drivers are needed, right? All drivers are actually needed. So when you update, you can see a special performance. Then update කරාට පස්සේ සමහරට ගයක් මේ වගේ display performance වැඩි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So sometimes it's not notable, but since let's say your driver is not there, it's having a compatible driver, but after installing the correct driver, your hardware performance will be accelerated. And after that, you can remove the driver booster if you think that it is not necessary. You can remove that because it's provide only trial version. No, ඒක ටිකක් කාලයක් යනකොට expire වෙනවා. You can remove that. So it doesn't matter, it is not affecting your computer. Okay, so we learn about the hardware failures and also yes.
Can we then අපිට පුළුවන් සර් ඒකේ ට්‍රයිල් එක හැටියට දෙපාරක් විතරනේ ඒක අපිට uninstall කරලා reinstall කරලා තව ඒවාක් දාගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
එහෙම නම් බෑ. ඒක configuration files වල මේව වෙනවනේ. එහෙම නම් configuration අයින් කරලා ටිකක් ලොකු වැඩක් කරන්න වෙනවා fresh installation එකක් දාගන්න. Okay, නැත්නම් ඉතින් හොර කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ නේද? ඔහොම ඕන තරම් uninstall කරලා දාන්න. Okay, another troubles, another issue that you face is network trouble. So sometimes you can see a small cross here in the network. Cross එකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. That means your internet connection or the not internet connection, actually the network connection is not there. So this is normally come in the cable connections. Wired connections වල තමයි ගොඩක් එන්නේ මේ cross එක. Then what you have to do, you have to remove the network plug and replug it again to the network jack. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the most reliable way of getting the data from the internet, wireless or wired?
So wired is always reliable, right? Wireless is like it's less secure, but that doesn't mean that wireless will always suspicious, like always wireless is vulnerable and it's subjected to hacking. And no, but wired is more secure. But wired is more secure and faster also. Wired internet is faster also. Wired network is faster than wireless. So recommended for wired, but if you so wire then laptop එකට වගේ wire එකක් දාගෙන යන එක අමාරු වෙන ඉතින්. So therefore,
Sir,
yes.
can we get lightning shocks from wired connections to our computer
Sorry.
through the cable? Can we get the lightning through the cable?
If you're using fiber, not. But if you're using copper cables, there's a possibility, right? Not lightning, but there can be like high voltages like things. So to the copper cables, yes, but using fiber connections, no. This fiber is not affected by these lightning and all. It's not electromagnetic. It's only light, so it's not affected. But if it is like a copper connection, there's a probability. Okay, so the other thing is the software error. Software error, so unlike hardware errors, software errors are very common. So it can be like not working, software not working, doesn't run, maybe running but not responsive, or very slow, or it can be it's not responding to our commands, maybe not loading the user interface. So these are the problems. So what are the solutions? Or what are the issues actually? Why these problems are coming? Sometimes the trial period is expired. when the trial period is expired, the software won't run. License is expired, or license is invalid, trial is expired, or a virus is affected, or it can be corrupted software, or damaged software, or the compatibility issue. Compatibility issues means like you install the software to Windows 11, but Windows 11 not supporting that software. That can be, right? It's only supported to Windows 7 or some other version, old version, not supporting Windows 11. It can be a compatibility issue. Right? Then you can right click and go to the properties and set the compatibility to old version. So that feature is there. When you can right click on the application, go to the properties of that application, then go to the compatibility and set that compatibility to the older version. එහෙමත් පුළුවන් run කරන්න. දැන් අලුත් එකේ run වෙන්නේ නැහැ, පරණ එකේ run වෙනවා. ඒ වගේ වෙලාවට compatibility එක හැදුවම සමානට run වෙනවා. compatibility එක හදන්නේ right click කරලා properties ගිහිල්ලා ඒකේ තියෙනවා compatibility කියලා එකක්. එතනින් හදන්න පුළුවන් to run with all versions. And so it can be a damaging of the file, corruption of files, or it can be due to memory or other hardware errors. Hard disk එකේ එතන damage එකක් වෙලා වෙන්න පුළුවන්, sector failure එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. RAM එකේ ඉඩමදි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Then also the software is not loading, or the processor is not supporting, not enough processing power in the processor. That can also be a problem. So those are the issues that is generally occurring related to this application software and system software. Okay, so the simplest is reopen, close and reopen, or you can restart the computer and see, or you can check whether the software is damaged, license is expired and all. And if you think license is okay, if you think everything else okay, you can uninstall the software and reinstall and see. Uninstall kala ආයෙ දාලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. Or if you think it is too slow, you have to check your RAM and your processing power. Okay, again, can anyone share the screen? So to show this. Can anyone share the screen again? Tihan, okay. Here. Right, so let's see. You have a software, but that software is not properly, it's slow down. Then the first place is you can right click on the task manager. You can right click on the task manager and then select, yes, slightly right click on the task bar and then select task manager. Right click on the task bar and then select task manager. There you can see the processes and your CPU is okay, not performance. Go to the processes. Processes, the first step. Under that, you can click on the CPU and that will sort the programs according to the order. You can see Zoom is taking 10% of your processing power, then some other services, and HC Cloud, Discord, likewise, you can see the running programs in the. Okay, if you think the processor is overrunning, like it's always 100%, closer to 100%, so then there's a problem. You have to check, maybe virus or some other issue. Memory also the same thing. Click on the memory. Memory could click karame sorted. When you click on the memory, it's sorted. Now we can see it is more. This is what BDS services host is taking more memory. Then the WhatsApp, then Zoom, then Discord, then search, Zoom, Discord again, and Windows Explorer likewise. So if you think that something is unwanted, you can close here also. But your memory is enough because your memory is only 35% utilized.
How Zoom gets to?
So maybe Zoom has multiple processes running. It can be, right? Some application, even Firefox, Google Chrome. So they are having multiple processes, multiple parallel processes running.
Zoom runs contains much more memory because now it is added with a new function called apps. That might be an issue too.
Yeah, can also be. And then you can go to the startup also. So this is another place to speed up your computer. And you can see some programs are automatically running with the startup. ActroTray, Bitdefender, Cortana is automatically running. And so these things are automatically running. OneDrive is running. Nero Home disabled, Real Talk HD audio. So you can sometimes see some programs are running, but you don't want that. So let's assume like this, Bitdefend is running, but you don't want that in the beginning. You can just disable it. But don't disable it now. I'm taking that as example, right? So let's say ActoTray is not needed, ActoTray is not needed. You can go and disable that. Then it will only be used in the, it cannot be disabled in your one. So it can
So
only,
I'm not admin, so I can't.
yes, you are not admin. That's the reason. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, operating systems like Windows 7, as the task manager doesn't have an option like this, there is another way to
Yeah. Now the
use it.
that is
MS
MS info. Sorry, MS
config.
config. Yes, MS config. That is in Windows 7. But Windows 10 and all, it is there in the startup.
Yeah.
Right? They cannot do computer ka speed up karagana puluwa. Another place to speed up is, if it is slow, right? Another place to speed up is go to your computer's Windows, press Windows key and E key. There are two places, Windows key and E key. So you can click on the C drive. Metana C drive එක උඩ click කරලා right click කරලා you can go to the properties. In the properties you can use disk cleanup to clean up unnecessary files which is there. Here you have some unnecessary files you can see. When you click all these things, you can see the total number of unnecessary gigabytes, or the, you can click all and see it's only closer to 700. It's not a big amount. 700. And you can go to the cleanup system files also. That is administrative, coming on administrative rights. If you don't have the admin, then you can't do that. Click OK and it will be deleted. So that will also speed up your computer, removing the temporary files and unnecessary files. That is using right click in your hard drive, C drive, D drive, and go to the disk clean. Okay, another way is right click on this PC and go to the settings properties. And there you can see advanced system settings. Under advanced system settings, again, I think you need administration rights.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you have admin rights, you can do this. Under advanced settings, there's a tab called advanced, and there is a button called, or there is a search section called performance. Can anyone else share? Who's having admin rights? Quickly. The Hamsa, can you? Hello. Diliru. Right. Okay. Senuka. Thank you. Right. Go to the system settings and advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Can you see? Advanced system settings. Yes, that one. And when you go to the advanced system settings, I think you have not shared that window with me. Seems you have to share the desktop. Right? When you load the advanced system settings, there's a section called performance. And from that performance section, yeah, advanced system settings, then the performance, advanced, and this, then performance. Then go to the settings. And when you go to the settings, you can see, so this is also to speed up your computer. Adjust for best performance. And that will actually disable the visual effects. But a nice last visual effects disable venom. It will make your computer fast. But if you set adjust for the best appearance, it will not consider the speed. It will consider the look. Adjust for the best appearance.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in Windows 7, in the classic theme, the same thing happens, right?
Yes. adjust for the best adjust for the best appearance, and it will give all the effects. Adjust for the best appearance කියොත් ඔක්කොම effects ටික දෙනවා. හැබැයි adjust for the best performance කියොත් කිසිම effect එකක් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right, you can set that and see.
So what will happen in custom?
Custom එකෙන් ඔයාලට කැමති විදිහට දාගන්න පුළුවන්. You can put the things that you like. Fade in around මෙම කැමති ඒවා, enable peak, animate the taskbar. So you can just put those things and remove those things. Okay, so with that section, the particular topic is over. We have discussed the practical part also. Right, next day I'll be discussing the next lesson. So as I said, I'll skip this what you call the word processing part, as it is easier lesson, and I'll directly move into the programming part, as it is bit hard for some students. I'll move to the programming part, and then I'll move to the physical computing part. So I think within next 2 weeks we can finish those things and then start grade 9 classes. So that is the idea. Okay, then see you all next week. Good night.
What
Good
will
night,
see
sir.
you?
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir.